Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite hard reset pattern unlock. Turn off the smartphone using the power key. Press and hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously for a few seconds. Release all keys when the MI logo appears. From the recovery menu, select recovery and confirm by tapping on the screen. Navigate to wipe data and select wipe all data using the volume keys to move and the power button to confirm. Confirm the action by selecting confirm and pressing the power key. Return to the main menu and choose reboot. Select reboot to system using the power button. Note that all data has been deleted during this process. Once the reset is complete, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.